Okay, look at that.
What's up, dude? He was like grabbing my face. Wanna go see the bunny? Come on, let's go see the bunny. See the bunny?
He's so cute.
Didn't you have a puppet? Mom, can you pop that?
No. Hi. She was hiding. It's my uncle. My favorite uncle.
Where's the bunny?
Hiding. I had to get Landon seeing his mommy and daddy.
Are you gonna see the bunny again? Bunny! I got puppy too? Oh, where's the bunny?
Keep going around. Too. Landon knows where it's at.
Oh, over here? Show mommy.
Show mommy, Daddy, where's the bunny at? Okay, it's alright.
Bunny?
Look at, there's a bunny.
Bunny? Ahoy. Oh, the bunny. Where do they stay in?
There's a little hutch back there. They like to stay in the shed too.
Okay. We just get the bunny and we won't get you.
Look, it's coming to me.
There's the other bunny. Oh, I can't see it. It's so white. You can't even see it on the video. There it is.
Come here, bunny. Shedding hairballs.
That one's really fuzzy.
That's the boy.
Come here, baby.
And it's pretty dog. Your bunny? You want one?
No one.
You want me to buy you one?
Well, if they have babies, you can have one.
They probably have babies all the time, huh?
They haven't yet because she's not old enough. But
Oh.
soon she'll.
One's a boy though, and one's a girl.
The white one.